What's up, guys? I'm going to take you for a little ride in my 1970 Beetle with the Baja kit. I just got it a couple days ago, so it's new to me, but old to the world. It's got about 750 miles on it. I haven't fired it up yet today, so it's going to see how she does. Let's give her a try. Fires right up. Well, that red light will go off. Just let the voltmeter get up a little bit. And then kick it on. And there it goes. Now she's charging. Yeah, it's been pretty fun so far. Got it kind of hard to tell. I got a new headliner and carpet kit. It's got seat covers. Seats are pretty nice and comfortable. No roll cage in here, so hopefully I don't roll it. I'll try not to. And this might be a little hard to do with you guys in my hand. Maybe if I turn it over. Screw it, I'll just try to drive it with one hand. Not the safest. But who wants to be safe? Has the stock IRS transmission in it, which is pretty decent. I've been cruising it around and this thing's got plenty of get up and go. Trust me. That's all right. I don't mind having to take off again. Does good, like shifting like right up around 4,000, 4,500. It likes to wrap out, not lug at all. But besides that, you know, it's pretty cool. A lot of fun. Took it in the dirt a little bit yesterday. Got a little dirty, but not much. I live pretty close to the dunes, the Oceano dunes. So I plan on getting it out there. Eventually. Sorry, I'm trying to like shift with one hand and hold you guys. I don't have a phone mount at the moment. Probably should have grabbed it. But yeah, this is it. Fun cruising. Speedometer is a little off since got oversized tires. It's got the white space 5 lug nut wheels. So yeah, it was about 5 miles off, 5 miles per hour. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Looking forward to seeing other people out there with their Bajas in the dunes. Clear blue skies today. Just got done raining. Still a little wet from that. Trying to make room in my garage. It's just clustered right now. I got the motor in my VW bus out, and I'm taking that apart, rebuilding it. Still a pretty new motor, but some way, maybe if you guys can comment, if you make it this far in the video, some way my distributor drive gear on the camshaft got chewed up. So I got to pull that thing out and replace it and see if I can figure out what caused that. So my bus has been down. I've been fiending for a little Volkswagen Cruise. So I picked up this bad boy to have some fun. Got some nice green hills everywhere here in California. Been getting a lot of rain this year, which is good. 2019 right now, February, end of February. Yeah, this is it. I guess I'll sign off. Don't want to make this too long, bore you guys to death. Maybe I should spin out in there real quick. Anyways, alright guys, have a good one.